Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe, where you can find a variety of delicious recipes and culinary tips to help you become a master in the kitchen. One of our favorite recipes is for classic donuts. Donuts are a timeless treat that everyone loves, and making them at home is easier than you might think. Chef Mariam's donut recipe is easy to follow and produces light, fluffy donuts that are perfectly sweet and flavorful. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves sweet treats and wants to make them at home. The ingredients are simple and easy to find, and the instructions are easy to follow. At Chef Mariam's website, we believe that making food from scratch is not only fun but also rewarding. It's a great way to spend time with family and friends, and you'll get to enjoy the delicious fruits of your labor. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, you can find a wide range of recipes and tips on Chef Mariam's website to help you improve your culinary skills. From classic recipes to modern twists on old favorites, you're sure to find something that suits your taste. Donuts are a classic treat that everyone loves, and making them at home is a great way to enjoy them fresh and hot out of the oven. With Chef Mariam's easy-to-follow recipe, you'll be able to make delicious donuts in no time. In addition to donuts, Chef Mariam's website has a wide range of other sweet and savory recipes for you to try. From cakes and cookies to pasta and stir-fry, there's something for everyone on the menu. So why not visit Chef Mariam's website today and explore our collection of delicious recipes and culinary tips. You'll be able to impress your family and friends with your newfound culinary skills and enjoy the delicious flavors of homemade food. Introduction. Donuts are a classic pastry that has been enjoyed for generations. They are a popular breakfast, dessert, or snack treat. Donuts come in a variety of flavors and styles, from classic glazed to chocolate frosted and filled with jelly. They can be enjoyed on their own or paired with a cup of coffee or hot chocolate. Making homemade donuts can be a fun and delicious activity for the whole family. Donut recipe Chef Mariam. Donuts are a classic treat that everyone loves. Whether you like them glazed, frosted, or filled with your favorite filling, donuts are always a favorite. If you're a fan of donuts and would like to make them at home, you're in luck. Chef Mariam has shared her delicious donut recipe with us. This recipe is easy to follow and produces light, fluffy donuts that are perfectly sweet and flavorful. Here's how to make them. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2/3 cup milk, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, oil for frying, powdered sugar for dusting. Instructions. In an enormous blending bowl, consolidate the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Blend until very much consolidated. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Add the wet fixings to the dry fixings and blend until a mixture structure. Turn the mixture out onto a delicately floured surface and massage for around 5 minutes, until the batter is smooth and versatile. Cover the batter with a soggy fabric and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, roll the dough out to about 1/2 inch thickness. Cut the dough into donut shapes using a donut cutter or 2 circular cutters of different sizes. Heat the oil in a profound fryer or huge pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the donuts into the hot oil, a few at a time, and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until golden brown. Remove the donuts from the oil with a slotted spoon and place them on a wire rack to cool. Dust the cooled donuts with powdered sugar. Chef Mariam's donut recipe is perfect for anyone who loves sweet treats and is looking for a simple and delicious recipe to make at home. Her recipe is easy to follow and produces donuts that are light, fluffy, and perfectly sweet. These donuts are great for any occasion and are sure to be a hit with anyone who tries them. If you want to take your donuts to the next level, you can experiment with different flavors and toppings. For example, mixing melted chocolate and powdered sugar can make a chocolate glaze. You can also fill the donuts with your favorite jam, jelly, or cream filling. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, donuts are a classic treat that everyone loves, and making them at home is easy and fun. Chef Mariam's donut recipe is a must-try for anyone who loves sweet treats. Her recipe is simple, yet delicious, and can be customized with different toppings and flavors to suit individual preferences. So why not give it a try and enjoy the sweet and fluffy taste of Chef Mariam's donuts today? Donut Chef Mariam's special information. At Chef Mariam's website, we're passionate about food and love sharing our knowledge and experience with others. Here are some special tips and information about donuts that can help you take your donut making skills to the next level. Use a donut cutter. While it's possible to make donuts without a donut cutter, using one can help ensure that your donuts are the right size and shape. If you don't have a donut cutter, you can use a biscuit cutter and a smaller round cutter to make the whole. Chill the dough. After making the dough, it's essential to let it rest in the refrigerator for at least an hour. This helps the dough to firm up and makes it easier to work with. It also helps the donuts to hold their shape when frying. Fry at the right temperature. To ensure that your donuts are crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside, it's important to fry them at the right temperature. The ideal temperature for frying donuts is between 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. Roll in sugar or glaze. Once your donuts are fried, you can roll them in sugar, glaze them with icing, or top them with your favorite toppings. This is where you can get creative and make your donuts unique. Experiment with flavors. Donuts are a versatile treat that can be made with a variety of flavors. You can add chocolate chips, cinnamon, or fruit to the dough to create different flavors. You can also experiment with different glazes and toppings to make your donuts unique. By following these tips and experimenting with different flavors and techniques, you can take your donut making skills to the next level. With practice and patience, you can make delicious, homemade donuts that are sure to impress your family and friends.